In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tableau and create your first visualization. If you've always wanted to dive into data analytics but weren't sure where to start, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up Tableau Public and craft a basic visualization, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Tableau Public, or simply navigate to publictableau.com. This is the official Tableau Public site where you can grab the free version of Tableau Desktop. Once there, look for the Create dropdown. It won't be hard to find. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. This is the free version tailored for beginners and casual users who want to get their feet wet with data visualization. After you've clicked on the download link, you'll be prompted to fill out some necessary details. This might include your name and email. Don't worry, it's pretty standard, just like signing up for any other online tool or software. Once you've filled everything in, go ahead and click on Download the app. Now, the download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once it's completed, locate the installer file on your device and run it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. They're quite straightforward. Once installed, it's time to open up the Tableau app and dive into some data. Upon launching Tableau, you'll be greeted with your Tableau dashboard. Here, you want to click on the option labeled Text File, especially if you're planning to use a CSV file for your analysis. A window will pop up that allows you to navigate through your device to find this CSV file. Select it and click Open to upload it into Tableau. After your data is loaded, you'll likely be eager to start visualizing. To do this, click on New Worksheet. This is essentially where the magic happens. In your worksheet, you'll see fields for columns and rows. Simply drag and drop your tables and measures into these fields. This intuitive interface makes it easy to arrange and analyze your data visually. Next up is the Marks field, a powerful feature for adding colors and labels to your visualization. Experiment here to make your data not only informative but also aesthetically pleasing. You can also add filters to narrow down the information displayed. Just drag a table over and set it to Show Filters. This will provide interactive elements on your visualization for more dynamic data exploration. And there you have it, a basic yet comprehensive visualization created right within Tableau. This is just the beginning of what you can achieve with this powerful tool. Thanks for joining and